Ayan, we are going to the beach today. Just the two of us. Nasa school pa yung mga bata. Pero we're just gonna buy rice first in Publix kasi they don't have rice. And I forgot to tell Phil yesterday when he went to the store. What? The rice. Rice is life in our house. Rice is life. Yeah, punta tayo sa beach. Mag-iisda siya. Do you wanna take a video like master? Or like the one that you're watching? Like catching fish? So nag-rent siya ng boat. Wow. Kasi wala kaming pambili ng boat. Kaya magre-rent na lang. Pero malayo kasi hindi naman, I still have a flag. Kasi hindi kami tawag dito, malayo yung beach. Hindi katulad sa nung nandun kami sa California, malapit na. Pero anyway, even when we're in California, you do rent a boat, right? In Pacifica?
Yeah, well, I got a boat.
Yeah, like a not rent. What do you call that?
It's like a char, like not a char, like
Something.
it's like a head boat.
Head boat? Ah, okay. So, yun. Andito po. Ayan. So, bumalik kami sa bahay. Ayan. Bumalik kami sa bahay. Ano lang ni Phil, ibababa lang ni Phil yung, there you go. Bababa lang ni Phil yung bigas na binili namin. Tapos nakabili na kami sa Publix. Kami lang dalawa. Tapos yung kapatid ko susundo sa aking mga anak. So, ang binili namin sa Publix, I'll show it to you. Ito is ang niya. Tawag dito. Caffeine ba? Yerba buena. No, is it? No. Yerba mate. Okay. And then, I always buy Clorox. Kasi kapag pumupunta ka o nagsi-CR kami sa mga gas station, lalo na kung hindi sa Buc-ee's talaga nagwa-wipe ako ng toilet seat. Hindi talaga ako nag-aano kasi ewan ko, simula nung nag-ano na ako sa nursing, parang na tapos eto may gloves pa ako, 'di ba? Tapos wag kakalimutan ng ating sun balm na face and body stick. Tapos yung kanya sa contacts. Ano pa ba yung mga binili namin? Ang dami pa. Flonase, allergy. Yan, dito yung mga tao may mga allergies. Ang dami kong comment. Teka lang, ano pa ba? Shampoo, Aleve. Ayan, Advil. Yun lang ang mga binili. So, pag alis nito, punta na kami ng Alabama. Kahapon, nag-work ako kahapon. Tapos, hindi na ako natulog. Nood na lang ako ng TV, tapos siya nag-work, may bago na naman siyang pet na ahas, pakita ko sa inyo pagbalik namin. Yan, so, hindi na namin sinama yung mga bata kasi hindi naman sila nag-enjoy kapag sa beach. Natutulog lang sila, minsan lalabas kami, punta kami mamasyal, napipilitan lang sila, minsan si Violet, tanong, where are we, mga ganyan, are we there yet, tapos, parang ayaw naman nilang sumama, so, yun, buti na lang may kapatid ako na laging nagsusunod. Thank you, Jess. Shout out sa'yo. Nakatawa si Jessril. Thank you, Jessril. Magpapagas muna kami. As usual, laging pagas. Ayan. Si Phil. Tapos, ang biyahe namin is mga nasa from Georgia to Alabama Beach is from us. Sabi is 7 hours. Pero, syempre may traffic, may mga stopovers. Nung unang lipat namin dito sa Georgia, akala namin, pag sabing Georgia is, nasa bukid ka, ganyan, walang mga Pero pag lipat namin dito, nagulat kami kasi, ang traffic niya guys, sa Atlanta, lalo na sa Atlanta area, malapit lang kami doon. So, napaka-traffic. Tapos, di ba, akala namin hindi na kami makakapunta sa beach kasi sa California nasanay kami na merong beach. Nung napunta na kami dito, Nung napunta na kami, merong M something. Nung napunta na kami dito, meron kaming Yung Florida is drivable naman pala siya. So, pag gusto namin pumunta sa beach, napupunta kami ng Florida. Parang kasing layo lang din siya nung nasa Bay Area kami papunta sa San Diego. Parang mga 8 hours ata yun. Parang mga ganun. Tapos, from here to Florida, pag gusto namin pumunta sa maganda talagang beach is mga 8 hours, 9 hours, 10 hours, ganun. Pero yung Jollibee is, medyo malayo nga. Sa California, maraming Jollibee. Dito, Jollibee. Haha, Jollibee. Dito sa amin, walang Jollibee. Ako ba't hindi sila nagtatayo ng Jollibee dito? Marami naman mga Pilipino. Nagugutom ako. I'm hungry.
You hungry?
Yeah.
Okay, then where do you want?
Can we have like a human bean?
Yeah.
Okay. Nagugutom ako. Hindi pa ako makain. Natawa. Sabi ng GPS, yun na daw yung fastest route niya. Kahit daw may crash sa I-85. Look at this guy.
Turn left, then turn right on Buford Highway.
Oh my God. I think, I don't know. Pero yung mama ko sa California kapag drive siya, dito hindi. Kasi dito parang iba yung mga taong mag-drive. Ewan ko ba. Hindi ko alam kung ako lang nakakapansin doon. Order na, matcha, tsaka ng sandwich. Oh no, I did that. I'm sorry. Why? I'm waiting for this moment. You're funny.
Like, I have one of my drinks.
What drinks?
I have like
Oh, okay.
Sherbet.
Okay, hold on. It's over here in the back. Did you buy something there?
Yeah.
Like a drink? Oh, you got a drink? No, over there in
Okay,
human
hold
bean. We just... So, ito. Ito na aking in-order. Ayaw mo order ng matcha. Ayan, pakita ko sa inyo pag traffic mamaya. Pero alam niyo, tignan nyo anong oras na? 1 o'clock p.m. Pero ganito karami ang sasakyan. Sa California, 1 o'clock p.m. Hindi ko nakikita ang ganito karami yung sasakyan doon. Unless nagbago na. That was like, matagal na. Pero of course, sa downtown sa San Francisco, maraming sasakyan. Pero dito, ayan kasi akala namin, iba yung hindi, pag sabing Georgia, parang siya, parang, tawag dito, plain lang, ganun. Pero hindi siya ganun. Hindi siya plain. Iba-iba, merong plain, merong magaganda, merong mga may high-end na lugar na parang nandoon talaga yung mga mayayaman. Ganun ang peg. Parang hindi mo makikita. How can you drive the car like that?
I have to have my hands on the steering wheel, though.
You have to what?
I have to have my hands on the steering wheel, but it's like turning.
Driving by itself?
Yeah. Autonomous driving.
But I thought you have to look on that thing if you want it to drive by itself.
Yeah, you have to have your eyes forward and hands on the steering wheel.
So you cannot sleep.
Yeah.
That's why you have to be driving. So this car can drive by itself.
Yeah.
You just have to
You just have to have your eyes ahead. But I don't know how with the sunglasses.
I know, that's what I'm asking.
But like your hands have to be on the wheel.
Oh, okay.
So if I take my hands off,
It's driving by itself.
you'll yell out. Say.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, nag-stop over kami sa Buc-ee's. Buc-ee's. Malaking kasi siya eh. Maganda yung bathroom niya. Well, laging busy yung dito. They have the most beautiful bathroom in the world. Nasa Alabama. How do you pronounce it? Alabama? Alabama. Nasa Alabama na kami. So, Alabama is a different time. Right? Is it Central Time? You call it Central?
Yep,
Central. So, siya? Is it like backwards? Or is it Alabama onwards or backwards? Backwards. O backwards siya. So, bawa, Sa Georgia is 4 p.m. Doon 3 p.m. pa lang. Di 3 p.m. no?
Yeah.
4 p.m. 3 p.m. Yun, ganun ang ano. Matagal pa. We're still 4 more hours. Ayan. Tutulog muna ako. Naantok ako. 3 more hours and it's 98 degree. It's so hot in Alabama. I think it doesn't hot. Like in Georgia, it's not this hot, right? It's I think
Maybe southern Georgia, but
southern Georgia.
not where we are.
Yeah, Alabama. Yan. Sweet home Alabama. Yeah, 3 more hours to go, so I'll still sleep. I know, haven't slept the whole, that's like 24 hours already. Is it 24 hours?
24 hours.
No, it's not 24 hours.
You woke up at 6.
Yeah, I woke up at 6, so it's not 24 hours yet.
Almost.
Almost. Yeah, not yet. Hey guys, nag-stop over muna kami for gas again. And then, look at that. It's raining. Hindi ako makatulog. Yung nakakatulog ako, tapos nagigising din ako. Tapos kasi yung mga nagda-drive, ang bibilis. Nakakatakot. Parang kakat ka nila sa harap. Tapos parang uulan. Ayan. Meron pa kaming 2 hours on the road. Yan, yun ang Alabama. Ayan, oh. Nag-exit lang kami sa highway para magpagas. Ayun. At mag-CR na rin. 30 minutes to go. Ayan, malapit na tayo. Time check at 6:25. Nagpagas ulit. Ayan. Ito na siya. Ito yung malapit sa Alabama, pero medyo nasa siya, south. Pinaka-south. Hindi tignan nyo yung map ng Alabama. Ano siya sa... It tastes good, ah. Nandun siya sa, Gulf. Gulf of America. Gulf of America. Nandun siya. What is that?
The coffee cup also for that one.
Coffee cup?
Yeah, for this kids.
Ah. Ayan, oh. Ganito yung itsura niya dito. Parang, it seems like, it's different. It doesn't look like Alabama. Looks like
come this over here.
No, we haven't been here. Never. But the first time I heard about it is when we were first year over in Georgia, and there was a patient's daughter, and she told me about like Alabama has a nice beach. I was like, yeah, really? Because like when you say Alabama, it's like just farm, like that.
Yeah.
No, you don't think there's a beach. And then she told me about Orange or whatever, Mobile, something like that. And then she said it's like blue and something. That's interesting. So that's the first time I heard about it, because we always think of like when we say beach over here in the south, it's like Florida, right?
Yeah.
But you don't know here in Alabama there's also a beach.
It's very, very close to Florida.
Yeah, very close to Florida. It's like parang nag-away sila. It seems like they divided it and they fought over it. So
And Alabama lost.
Alabama or kasi kung makita nyo sa mapa, parang hati siya, pero parang pa rin siya ng Florida. Part siya ng Florida. Yan siya. So makikita nyo na dito yung mga advertisement ng mga Wow! Taas. Ganda din It's nice here. Ito It's nice. didn't think it's Alabama. Island House Hotel. Marami sila mga hotels.
Donuts.
Donuts? I would love a donuts. Well, it's probably closed because it's already evening. There's a big, maybe there's a con. What is that? Phoenix. It just says Phoenix. Condos. Huh? Oh no, I don't know. There's... So dito ko mag-stay for 2 nights.
So,
That's
let's see.
it's packed.
Is this the front? Oh,
Valet, guest self-parking,
yeah.
unloading. Yan. Medyo mahigpit sila dito na hindi katulad sa ibang hotel. Merong tao na nagsasabi kung anong dapat mong gawin, saan ka magpa-parking. Hindi ka basta-basta magpa-park sa in front ng hotel. Para unload mo yung gamit mo. So, yan. Tour ko kayo sa hotel namin. Okay? Hotel namin talaga eh, no? Sa room. Tawa ako sa sinabi ko. Bye.